Welcome back to another video. So a bit of a different one for me today. A place I've never been before, and that's the 50's Supercar venue. I'm just about to get kitted up, meet up with 4 other people, and we're going to go and see exactly what's happening over there tonight. So I've just arrived at the venue. Like I said before, I've never been here, so you can see behind me there's quite a few bikes starting to arrive, but I don't think there's going to be a huge amount. But I'm going to do my usual. I'm going to take a little walk around, see what bikes we've got, and I'm going to head inside of the warehouse and see what cars are inside. I'm going to take a little walk down. Lots of various bikes: Triumph, KTM, Kawasaki Ninja 400. Ooh, very nice. Honda VFR 400R, Triumph RS, CBR, Honda Repsols, M27, aftermarket pipe, my bike of course, Honda CBR, Kawasaki 650Z, back to the old school, old Yamaha. So over this way, something very special. Got the Aston Martin, but it's just a shell, but it still has the V12 poking out the side here, and it's literally in half, so you can see all of the engineering work. It's so cool to see. But yeah, there's the V12 5.2 twin turbo engine, and then inside, literally just a bare shell. So cool to see something like this for once. Humongous tyres on the back, suspension. Yeah, very cool. Over to this side, starting off with a Triumph. It's very nice, some carbon fibre pieces, Street Triple RS. Love the colour. Followed by another Speed Triple, CBR 600F. Nice aftermarket pipe. Old school Triumph. Then you've got Harley Davidson on the end here. Some nice airbrush graphics on there. Pretty smart. Over this way, another Harley Davidson, followed by Ducati. Beautiful bike. A few more bikes have arrived down this section now, so I'm going to take another little walk down. Triumph Daytona, KTM 390 Duke. I kept too early. A stunning Triumph. And I didn't even know about this section, but there's more bikes in this back section here. So again, let's take another little walk through. Oh, Yamaha R1. Look at this. Beautiful bike. Best pipe in my opinion too. Love it. Ducati Scrambler, nice. Another Harley Davidson GSX-XF 1000F. BMW 1200 GS. Another Harley Davidson. Red fleck on the fuel tank, looking smart. Another bobber, I've seen this one at the Castle Coombe event. Honda CB500F. And another Speed Triple on the end just there. Now over here, look what I've just spotted. It's a Rolls Royce, all tucked away, completely dust free inside of this barn. Don't blame them, but yeah, that's like stupidly expensive car just there. And next to that, the Renault Clio V6. Oh, what a car. I absolutely love these. 2004 as well. And then on the end, the Mercedes. And you can hear the bikes coming in. So let's take another little look at what we've got coming in. Beautiful KTMs. It's got the Super Duke 125, followed by the 1290, making that lovely noise. And more nice bikes there coming in. Mix of Honda and Kawasaki's just here. Royal Enfield. Two lovely Suzuki GSXRs just come in, 1000, and I'm not sure what the other one is, maybe, oh no, it's a 125. And another one of my favourite bikes here, the 1290 Super Duke R, a crazy aftermarket pipe. Look at that. No wonder it sounded really nice when it came in. Usual carbon fibre mud guards. I really wish I did the video of me riding the 1390. That was crazy, but yeah, this is probably my favourite shape. I was just speaking to the owner, and this exhaust pipe is over £1,500, which is no surprise, but that looks seriously nice. It sounded the bollocks when it came in, for sure. CBR Fireblade, aftermarket pipe, wheel decals. Next to that, the Yamaha MT 10SP. Monstrous machine, this thing. Triumph Tiger. First thing we're greeted with is this beautiful Ducati V4R for sale as well. £29,000 and it's yours. I wish I could be the new owner to this, but unfortunately I can't be. Over this way, the Hyundai N-Line, followed by another Aston Martin. I'm going to do a little walk down now. Bentley. Must be worth an absolute fortune. So this is the Bentley R-Type. The year's 1953. It's rear-wheel drive, top speed of 120 mph, which is probably very quick back in those days. 0 to 62, 13.25 seconds, and the power is 130 brake horsepower. Brown leather inside. Next to the Bentley is this absolute stunning metallic blue Aston Martin V8 Vantage S. Really, really nice graphite grey wheels, followed by this lovely graphite grey Corvette C7. Over this way, the Alfa Romeo, another Bentley, Jaguar F-Type, another Aston Martin, tiny little Citroen, beautiful Porsche 911. Absolutely immaculate condition as well. Love the wheels. Suits it very well with the colour. Next to that, the lovely gloss black Porsche with the silver stripes. 911 Sport Classic. Next to the Porsche is a stunning red Ferrari 358, is it? Or 358? Oh, 348, apologies. 348. Again, just showroom condition. The Aston Martin V8 Vantage. Love these Mercedes, one of my favourite Mercedes made. The AMG GTS. I bet that's got a hell of a spec. Yeah, top speed 197 mph. Where the hell are you going to do that? Next to that, one of my favourite cars, as I've mentioned in previous videos, the Audi R8 V10. It's just my favourite shape that they did. Over here, the silver Porsche 981 Cayman. Stunning condition. Followed by another Aston Martin. And now we'll get on some real serious weapons now. It's a Lamborghini Aventador LP700. Followed by probably one of the best condition Lamborghini Murcielagos that you could probably see in the UK. Take a little look at these two together. And then over here, the Aston Martin DB4. Where the hell are you going to see another one of these in this condition? I'll take you guys around to the back, try and get a side on shot of this. That's one of the best classics ever made. So like I said, I've never been here before, but you can see at the top there's all the cafe and you can eat downstairs as well. So yeah, it's a pretty cool venue to be fair. Now over here, I've seen this on another channel. Can't remember which channel I watched it on, but this has just been done and this is only here for a limited amount of time, I believe. But yeah, it's not every day you get to see a Coney's egg. Full of carbon fibre, even the bloody wheels. It's crazy. Ah yes, I know whose channel I've seen this on. There it is. Do a quick little walk around. The engine in the back. Don't want to get too close. I'm not sure if you can see inside. But yeah, what a very unique build. There's the spec on the windscreen. Next to this, back to the classics, the Porsche 356 Speedster with red leather interior. I love it when you go back to these times, just everything's so simple. None of this electric crap that's in today's world. Just pure driving. Next to that, the Ferrari. Followed by another Aston Martin. Another Ferrari. One of my dream cars, Porsche 911. Followed by another Lambo. And then just to end it, the Ferrari 488 in crazy condition. Love the styling. Yeah, what a car. So I think that's pretty much about everything covered. It's only going to be a short video as predicted. But thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you all in the next one very soon.